What's up guys, Trey here from AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're checking out the C&L oil separator for the driver's side, designed to fit the 2019 and newer 5.3 liter Silverado 1500s. This is going to be perfect for Silverado owners looking to keep their engines running cleaner and extend their life by reducing oil blow-by, especially in performance-driven or high-mileage trucks. The C&L oil separator is engineered to capture oil blow-by before it can enter the intake system, reducing carbon buildup and maintaining engine efficiency. The advanced filtration system separates the oil particles from the PCV system, collecting them in a removable reservoir for easy maintenance. The design prioritizes long-term durability and effectiveness, making it suitable for daily drivers, towing rigs, and even performance builds. Now this oil separator is going to be constructed from high quality billet aluminum, ensuring resistance to corrosion and wear. It comes with a sleek black anodized finish, adding a subtle but polished touch to your engine bay. This compact design ensures a precise fit and compatibility with the 1500's engine bay layout without interfering with any other components. Now, as far as pricing goes on this kit, it's coming in right around that $100 price range, which is a solid value for the protection it provides for your engine, keeping it cleaner and running more efficiently for a longer period of time. Now, when it comes to the installation on this is going to be a very straightforward process, so we're going to rate it only a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. All the necessary hardware is included, and the kit is designed for a direct fit. The job should only take you about 30 minutes in total to complete. Now, let's check out an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks.com customers and see exactly how this goes in your truck.
For the tools, 10mm ratcheting wrench, ratchet, 10mm blade, and anything I might need in between as far as screwdrivers and drivers. We're gonna add the bracket to the oil separator, flat washer and lock washer. Snug it up. Next is a ball valve. Okay, next is your mounting of the oil separator. We need to remove push clip. Next is the screw clip, and that one's going to go in here after you remove the push button or the push clip or screw, whatever they call them. Anyway, you want to put this under the plastic with the threaded side down. Pushes right there. Might have to adjust it and stall it. Like that. I don't know exactly how or where I'm going to position this. I don't know if we have that option, but I'll leave it snugged up for now so I can move it. Okay, so the next step is removing the hose from the valve cover and manifold. Manifold fitting is back here. Well, you can see that. Want to be careful not to push too hard. If anything, try to use a corner for that right there. There it is. That one's off. Same thing here. That little gray piece that you need to push is back in between here. I'll use a wire harness for leverage. Next step is going to be, we need to remove this piece right here. So it was like that. I'm going to, just for the purpose of having everything the way it was, I want to make sure I don't lose track of what piece was where. After removing the hose, I noticed that the fittings on the ends aren't the same, so you do have to keep it the way it is. This one has a slight 45, this one's vertical, straight up and down. It was like this, so we'll keep it the same way in case we ever gotta go stock. So basically here, if you look at it, we're gonna have to slice from about 1 inch from the edge here to back about 1 inch. We're just trying to slice the hose. It's all hard plastic. So I'll show you the best way the easiest way I did it was basically holding the hose this way, kind of like that. Grab the blade if you have one or whatever you're gonna end up using, but the razor blade was the fastest way. Hold it, put your index finger here, hold it with your thumb on the backside, and you wanna push down, not slice. Don't slice yourself either, please be careful. Push down and towards the back, slowly. And I got it the first try, but you'll see the difference in pressure as soon as you slice it. Even if you don't go all the way through, it comes off or it moves a little easier. Same thing on this side. Just go ahead and give it plenty of hose. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it down the middle. Lucky for me, I have this tool here. Makes my job easier. Now we're gonna install the fittings on the ends and hose clamps as well. You got the two pieces here. This one's gonna go back towards the intake, the manifold, and this one goes towards the back. That to the bottom's out. I went ahead and put it exactly how it was originally, which was a gray piece that pushes in towards the back, towards the engine itself, kind of like that. And that's so that we can get to it just as easy as the first time. So I believe that you have to push it again to get it to snap in. Yeah, because I don't want to go ahead and break it. I know I did it once. Let's see if I can push it from the bottom, from the actual connection part. I'll use my index finger this time. So. Oh, okay, good. It does pop in. This one here goes like that. With the push part, I'm gonna face it towards the steering wheel. Yeah, so it does just push in. Obviously everything's pre-tightened already. You don't want to leave anything loose. We're going to connect the hoses now to this oil separator. You got the one coming from the valve cover itself. That one's going to go to the bottom part. I don't want to cut too much just in case I need it, so I can have slack to move it around need be. I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here. Push it all the way back. Just tighten that part. Like so. The next one goes from the intake manifold to the top part of the oil catcher. Always make sure that I position the hose clamps to where they're easily accessible. You don't want to put this upside down, obviously, like that, because then you'll be doing this. Double check everything. Make sure it's not touching, hot parts.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the C&L oil separator for the driver's side of the 2019 and newer 5.3 liter Silverado 1500s. And for all things Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.